Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I have a very exciting new product line to offer to everyone out there in the full arch world. What am I talking about? It's our premium full arch option that we have branded Bespoke. Why do we call it Bespoke? Well, it's fully customizable. Everything you can think of, from tooth shape, gingival hue, textures, anything at all the patient's looking for, we can make it happen. You can have the patient send you a photo of a celebrity maybe they want to see, or we have a tooth library that you can pick from to get started, and then from there we take it and we're going to have a couple different meetings from you. We're going to have some one-on-ones with you to go over kind of the plan and what the patient wants, and you can even have the patient jump on these meetings. So we'll have a Zoom call with you, go over, again, their expectations, and then from there we can show them different designs and they can approve the designs if they want. You don't have to have the patient there, but it's something we offer as well. Again, with this Bespoke line, it's a premium product, and we want to give you and your patient a premium experience. So please, check us out here at the lab. If there's any questions on the Bespoke line of products, we're here to help you out. We have a nice, beautiful web page that lays everything out for you, again, just to explain the process and all the different options out there on this premium full arch line. Give us a call. We want to work with you on your next full arch, and let's get your patient a nice premium final zirconia. Thank you.